Our recipe today is yam. We call it nduma in Kenya. So we already boiled the yam. That's how it looks. We're going to use some few ingredients here just to make it a good snack and a yummy one. So we have onions, green pepper, onions, that is some vegetables and coriander, tomatoes. Then I just make a few from the batch I had stored, some few pieces from the batch that I had stored earlier. Chop the yams into some reasonable cube size as I am doing here. Don't make them too small because they will get mushy when you are frying them. Yeah, so other people would like to fry them, other people would like to eat them boiled as they are, but today I just wanted to add some value on them by making them wet fried, as you will see before the end of this video. By the way, do you know I call these yams? And I hear some people saying they are arrowroots. What is your opinion? Because I kinda got confused here. I've always known they are yams. Nduma are just yams now. So let's get into the cooking. Put your cooking oil in a pan or a sufuria of the size that you have chosen for the amount of yam you're going to cook. And as you have seen, I've already chopped my ingredients. And the first one I'm going to put into the pan is onions, all of the onions. But you have to wait for the oil to cook a little bit so that they start cooking immediately. You place them into the pan. Let them cook for about a minute. Like you see here, I am giving them time to cook well at a moderate heat. Stir the onions a little so that it doesn't get burnt from one side, or cook one side and the other side isn't cooked, so that they just cook evenly. Okay, now they are a bit golden brownish. Add in the green chilies. Yeah, I love chilies in almost all of my food. Immediately put in the tomatoes. Yes, put them all in. Then start to mix the spices together. Add in a half a teaspoon of salt, like I'm doing here. Then just stir well, let the mixture mix in well. Then close the lid to cook so that they'll cook for about 2 minutes. Come back again and check if they are well cooked now, so that you can know if it's ready for the yams now. Next, you add in hot half a cup of water to make a nice stew that is not so thick or not so soupy. Then let it cook for just a minute before adding in your yams. Then after that, you start placing your yams little by little in your pan of your already cooked tomato paste. Let the chopped yams that you had made earlier be placed in as you stir. After placing them in a bit by bit, as it cooks, and you remember not to put on a high heat. Let the heat be moderated, okay? Add in the last ingredient, which is coriander with the spinach that I chopped together. Then you'll just close your yam so that it cooks for about a minute or 2 minutes. Don't overcook it. And let's talk about these three. Which one of them between A, B, and C is yam, arrowroot, or cassava? Check your yam, like how I'm seeing mine is already ready to eat. I don't want it to cook past this because I feel like it will be so mushy. You see how they were already overcooked. Then you can serve it with the tea or any drink of your choice. But because I prepared it at about 3, I'm going to have it with a tamarind juice. I will only have 3 or 2 serving spoons. Yes, I think that will be enough for me. Yeah. Because I don't want to miss dinner. Just to cool off the hunger and the urge to eat. And this, as you can see how yummy it looks like, huh? And the soup is something else. It looks and it smells so good, you know. Our yam is ready, and the tamarind juice, we'll let you have the recipe of the tamarind juice next time or one day. So here we are with our yam snack. Just like that, easy and simple recipes coming your way. Adios.